Something as simple as just hearing your name, hearing your name. Puts me in a place that I can't even explain. I didn't even notice before. I really didn't know back then. But right now I'm totally sure. Baby, I know I'm your friend, but I wanna see much more. Ooh, butterflies when I see you coming. Oh boy, you got me running. This feeling in my stomach tells me I should be a woman. Cause you're the only one who makes my fairy tale come true. How could someone make me so sad? I said I only want him to say. I wanna say I love you so bad, but I don't wanna scare you away. Please, I wish that you'll understand that I wanna be more than just a friend. I wish you loved me. I see you talking to the girls on the phone. Mm. I wish that I could tell them all to leave you alone. Really didn't know back then, but right now I'm totally sure. Whoa, 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 that I wanna see much more. Now I know just why I never really liked your girlfriend. Never really gave them a chance. 'Cause I realized that I'm your woman. Your woman. How could someone make me so sad? Said I only want them to say. I wanna say I love you so bad. But I don't wanna scare you